All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I have my 2022 Denali, GMC Denali HD 3500. It's got 71,000 kilometers. Not too sure what that is in miles. I love this truck. This has been my favorite truck. It's a good looking unit. Pretty much stock. Actually, it is stock. I use it for work a little bit, for fun, for play, for everything. A couple days ago, actually I should say 5 weeks ago, I went in, the check engine light came on, went in for an oil change, fuel filter change to the local dealership. Pike Wheaton, actually, shout out to Pike Wheaton, they've been awesome. They're actually a Chevy dealership, and I have them working on my GMC, so that's obviously they're the same, but they've been awesome to deal with. The only thing I will say is the well, I'll get to it here in a second. So yeah, here's the unit. This truck's a beauty. I love it. I love it. It's been a beauty. Love it. Anyway, so the check engine light comes on, go in, get it serviced. They tell me my particulate filter is plugged. It's not functioning as it should, and it will need to be replaced, which is a-okay. I said, yeah, go ahead and do it. And they said, whoa, it's on back order. So in saying that, I'm not allowed to drive my truck on the highway, or I was not advised to drive my truck on the highway until this was fixed. Otherwise I might go into limp mode. Hey now, that's not a good thing any way you look at it. Anyways, all jokes aside, I was not advised to drive my truck on the highway. So in saying that, I did. I put on probably another 5,000 to 7,000 kilometers. I'm not too sure exactly, but at least 5,000 kilometers. Check engine light did not come on again. So anyways, I wanted to just show you here. So when they replaced the filter, they replaced the entire exhaust system. So exhaust all the way up. I'll crawl under here quick. Sorry for the shaky audio or whatever, or visual. But yeah, up to those 4 bolts up there. So this whole unit this whole unit was replaced. It just blew my mind that that was something all the way back. All the exhaust probes and all that, all the way out to the exhaust. Just absolutely blew my mind. Up to those 4 bolts, if you can see, you know, all of this stuff, the hangers, everything was replaced. Let's see what this says, if I can flip it upside down. Oh, it's eligible for a core, so they probably got a core out of it too. They probably rebuild them and then sell them cleaned out or whatever. Yeah, look at all this. Look at all of this stuff is replaced. Unbelievable. So again, I'll just stand up here. Sorry for the weird noises, but middle-aged fat man here. Anyways, thanks to Pike Wheaton for that, and thanks to GM. It smells burning, but it's probably natural. Yeah, again, thanks to Pike Wheaton out of Red Deer. Thanks to GM for stepping up and covering the cost of that, because I think it would have been about $6,000 worth of parts, labor, time, etc. from GM. So yeah, thanks again. And Pike Wheaton, Red Deer, if you're in the market, I might have to switch to Chevs now. I might have to switch to the what is it, town country Chev or whatever. No, that's the Caravan Town, whatever it is, the nice Chevs. But yeah, she's a little dirty, but back on the road again. I just could not believe that they replaced all the way up, new exhaust pipe and all that. So yeah, again, 10 out of 10 to Pike Wheaton. Peace and love.